chase the cracks out back the other way. Which I'm kind of thinking about doing. The problem with chasing cracks though is that sometimes you'll hit the crack and it'll propagate, spread through the whole stone. So what I did right there, I took a flake down to make a platform. See, there's a crack right in the middle of the platform. I'm afraid if I hit that, I'll tell you what, I'm going to see if I can get another decent point-sized flake off right here, maybe another one right here. I'm going to rough that up. That might open up some more options for us. So each flake you take, yeah, you got a good one off there. Each flake you take is going to be, going to set you up for another flake. That platform kind of crushed. There's a point right there. Now a lot of these real thin flakes that I'm taking, I'm going to try to make points out of, but a lot of them won't survive. You know, because you got to think that they're already made of glass. You know, they're super brittle, and when they come off this core, they bend. So we got another spot that we can probably get another one of those big flakes off of. But we're going to have to take a couple flakes off the side there to isolate it a little bit. See, that little bit of platform ain't jutting out enough for me. So we're going to take a smaller bopper and take a flake here, and we'll take our bigger bopper and hit that. And you're not looking to make, you know, humongous flakes here. You just, because if you make too much and you run into your ridges, you're going to have a problem. So I'm going to hit this high, and it's probably going to come down and blow off this real messed up cracked area, I'm hoping. Okay. It did just that. So we ran down off that flat face, and we undercut that crack. So that's awesome. I mean, that crack's right in here. This is waste material anyway. And the point that was going to come out of this is going to be waste material. So that's awesome. Okay. And also that kind of changes our platforms on the piece and gives us some other options. So we're getting to the point where we can start to try to make what's left of our core now into the biface itself. We're running out of room on that side. So what I'm going to do, find a corner on the biface. I want to run up on this turtle back here. See? I'm going to clip it. Probably can get a bird point out of that. Once it's clipped, that dropped the platform back towards my turtle back. The braid. Now, I don't want this to undercut anymore. I don't want it to do what that last big flake we took did, because it's getting too small. The piece is getting too small. I'm going to start supporting this with my hands now. If you clamp it down on the pad and hit it, that's how you get those flakes to die. So I'm just going to support it with my hands. There's our turtle back. Come off. Okay, that's another arrowhead right there. A little bit of material can go a long way if you just take the time to learn how to break it down. You know, when you first start napping, you get a boulder of obsidian, you turn it into one little bird point. You know? And don't get me wrong, you're proud as punches about that bird point.